Sitting, General Practitioner's Clinic. You are speaking to Alex, a 40-year-old man who has come to the clinic for a checkup. He is planning to travel to Cambodia and Vietnam in the next month for work. The GP has asked you to advise him on the recommended travel immunization before his international travel. Now, let's see the task. First one says, find out about his vaccination history. Second one says, find out the duration of the travel. Third one says, explain the need to get vaccinated against typhoid, hepatitis A and tetanus. Fourth one says, explain the recommendation of World Health Organization, Cambodia and Vietnam are medium risk countries. Fifth one says, explain importance of getting his vaccination updated at least 2 weeks before traveling abroad. Tetanus can be fatal. Vaccination need to be administered once in every 10 years. A combined vaccination can also be taken for hepatitis and typhoid now, and a booster dose available after 6 months. The last one says, explain that the vaccination is not painful. Now, let's begin the role play. You can start like, good morning, I'm Stella, one of the registered nurses working in this general practitioner's clinic. May I know your name and age for verification? Then interlocutor may respond by saying, Nurse, good morning, I'm Alex and I'm 40 years old. Then respondent saying, okay, Mr. Alex, I understand that you're planning for an international trip, am I right? Then interlocutor may respond by saying, yes, nurse, you're right. I'm planning for an international journey in the first week of next month. Then respondent saying, I'm glad to know that, Mr. Alex, I have been instructed by your GP to assist you with regards to your vaccination program before your international journey. I hope you're here for the vaccination. Then interlocutor may respond by saying, yes, nurse, I am here to know more about the vaccination program before my international journey. Then responding, good to hear that, Mr. Alex. I'm glad to explain you that in detail. Before getting into that, I would like to ask you some questions regarding your journey. Is it okay with you? Then interlocutor may agree with that. Then ask him like, when are you planning to start your journey? Then interlocutor may respond by saying, nurse, I'm planning to start my trip in the first week of next month. Then ask him, okay, Mr. Alex, which country are you planning to visit? Then interlocutor may respond by saying, nurse, I'm planning to travel to Cambodia and Vietnam. Then respond him, okay, Mr. Alex, can you please let me know how long you're planning to stay there? Then interlocutor may respond by saying, nurse, I'll be there for almost 30 days. Then respond him, okay, Mr. Alex, can you please tell me about your vaccination history? Then interlocutor may respond by saying, nurse, I've taken some vaccinations when I was a child. Unfortunately, I do not remember the details completely. Then respond him saying, okay, Mr. Alex, thank you for sharing those details with me. Based on your explanation, I understand that you're planning to travel to Cambodia and Vietnam in the first week of next month, and you're going to stay there for almost a month. However, you do not have any idea about your vaccination history. Am I right, Mr. Alex? Then interlocutor may agree with that. Then continue by saying, I would like to begin by explaining the importance of vaccination. The World Health Organization recommends that it is highly important to get vaccination before traveling to Cambodia and Vietnam because these are medium risk countries. If you don't get recommended vaccination, you might contract communicable diseases and other infection. Therefore, it is extremely important to get vaccination to protect yourself from those deadly diseases. So, I strongly suggest you to go for vaccination as advised by the doctor. Are you following me, Mr. Alex? Then interlocutor may tell you like, yes, nurse, I understand that. However, I'm not going to visit any rural areas. I would probably be staying in business class hotels. Do you still think that I need to go for vaccination before my journey? Then respond him saying, that is a sensible question, Mr. Alex. I would like you to be aware that it is possible for you to get infections and life-threatening diseases such as tetanus, hepatitis and influenza and some other deadly diseases if you travel to those countries without vaccination. In order to avoid those complications and protect you from this life-threatening diseases, it is highly recommended to take this vaccination as advised by the doctor. Okay, Mr. Alex, I hope you're following me. Then interlocutor may agree with that. Then respond him saying, good to know that, Mr. Alex. In addition to that, it is also important to get vaccinated at least 2 weeks before traveling abroad. And you need to make sure that The vaccination needs to be administered once in every 10 years. A combined vaccination can be taken for hepatitis A and typhoid now. And the booster dose is also available after 6 months. Do you have any more questions for me, Mr. Alex? Then interlocutor may ask you like, yes, Ness, I'm a little worried about its pain. Do you think it's painful? Is it a painful procedure? Then respond him saying, I acknowledge your worries, Mr. Alex. If I were you, I would react in the same way. Most people are a little hesitant about getting injections because of the pain, but don't panic. I can assure you that the pain for injection is generally tolerable. The feeling may be similar to an antibiotic, so do not have to worry about that. I hope you're clear now. Then interlocutor may agree with that. Then ask him like, are you planning to take the vaccination today itself, Mr. Alex? Then he may tell you like, no, Ness, I have a couple of weeks again for the journey. My next visit will probably be within a week to get the recommended vaccination. Then respond him saying, I'm really happy to hear that, Mr. Alex. You have taken a great decision. I really appreciate you for that. Do you have any more questions for me? Then interlocutor may tell you like, no, Ness, thank you very much. Then respond to him saying, okay, Mr. Alex, so far we have discussed about the importance of getting a recommended vaccination before your journey to Cambodia and Vietnam. I hope you understand that. If you have any more questions or concerns, feel free to contact me at any time. I'll be happy to help you. Once again, I assure you that getting vaccinated before your trip will protect you from infections and other deadly diseases. Thank you, Mr. Alex, for your visit to our clinic. I wish you a happy journey. Thank you, guys. Our roleplay ends here.